Today we're talking about follow-ups. There are two types of follow-ups that you can create. You can create an opportunity follow-up or a client follow-up. Firstly, we'll go to the opportunities following on from our previous video. Select the specific opportunity that you want to follow up. And it's simple as clicking this button right here. So now your follow-up, you have to specify what type it is. We have some pre-configured types. So we'll say sales visit, what the date is. So we'll set it to 2nd of February. Actually, this is weekend, so we'll go for Monday, the 4th. We want to visit John Hive. This is his title. Put in your comment. And you can assign it to a specific person. It defaults to yourself, but if you are just managing follow-ups and assigning them to your different reps, then you can change that. And here is a very important feature, which is your sync calendar, right? So you don't have to sync your calendar and you can just manage follow-ups through the list. But if you want, you can sync your calendar. It actually works with the Google Calendar. So you need to have a Google account to be able to use this feature. Now, if it's an all-day event, you click it. If you unclick it, then you can specify an actual time. So we'll click the all-day event. And here you have another button with the recurring sign. Right, so you can actually set your follow-up to repeat. And you can repeat it always, so it never ends. Or you can repeat it for a couple of occurrences or on a specific date. Here you have a number, it could be days, weeks, months, years. We won't repeat anything at this point. So we're good to go. But now you will notice that something happens. It's synchronizing with your Google Calendar. And here we go. And you have a look, if you have a look at your Google Calendar, you can go straight to it from here. It has created an actual appointment in your calendar. So if you're using the Google Calendar app, you will see that you will get a reminder on your iPhone or whatever phone you're using, and you can manage your calendar right here. Back into your opportunity, the follow-up is listed right here. But if you go to the follow-up screen, you see all the follow-ups that are due. Now, we do not see our follow-up that we've just created for John Hive because it is on the 4th of February. So it's due on the 4th of February. This screen with a blank due date shows you the follow-ups that are due. If you want to look ahead, you can. You need to provide a max due date. So if we set it to 5th of February, then John Hive appears. But the most useful case for this screen is just to provide the due follow-ups. Now you can click here to have a look at the client directly, or you can click the I to queue through your follow-ups. So now it's taken me directly to the client to follow up, and to go through the queue, all I have to do is click the arrow. So I can click the left arrow to go back. It'll let me know when I'm at the start of the queue. So you can follow up your client, give him a call or whatever, enter a note, create another follow-up, Once you're finished, complete the follow-up by clicking this button, and it takes you through the next one due in your queue. Follow-ups are a very powerful feature, and I encourage you to use them. Thank you for watching. That's it for today. See you next time.